My name's Adam. I work at Peace Valley Dry Goods and Barbershop downtown in Boise. I discovered Fresh Clothes online and hit them up, and they were very responsive, always really punctual to communicate. And we set up couple appointments for them to pick up clothes and wash it and return it. And it was just going to be me and another guy here in the shop, but it's been so reliable and it's affordable that the two other guys in the shop also decided to do it. And now all four of us have our laundry picked up once a week, every Wednesday, and delivered right back the very next day. And it's just really convenient, and it's nice to know that we can rely on having our laundry taken care of for us every week. We do a lot of laundry here, and so for us to have to take care of washing our towels and our laundry every week is time consuming, and sometimes it can be kind of expensive. So we're just really grateful that we found a place that we can rely on to do it for us every week. And it's just been really helpful. I would absolutely recommend Fresh Clothes to anyone who seeks a laundry service, whether you're just getting items from your home washed, just as like a weekly or bi-monthly service, I guess, or if you work somewhere where you have a job where you need to have items washed and cleaned and folded. It's been a really great service that we found. We're really glad to have found Fresh Clothes.